Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. I still can't believe I say stuff like this. Today we have the 2021 Lotus Evora GT. My first time ever driving a Lotus, and it's one of my favorite cars, if not my favorite car I've ever driven. It's that good. So, here we go. This one's the 2021 Evora GT, 416 horsepower from a Supercharged V6 from a Toyota Camry, which is absolutely awesome. Here's the crazy part, 3,100 pounds. Like, where are you gonna get that? I just love Lotus because they do stuff like that. This one, yellow over carbon, because who doesn't love carbon? Do have rear seats. Don't know how to open the hood, but I'm sure it's somewhere like right here and I'm just too blind to see it. I'm holding buttons, I don't know. Oh, there it is. Look at that. That is awesome. And that is light, man. Oh no. There we go. Alright, I don't want to break anything. So, this one came off the truck today. You have some really nice bucket seats. We're keeping the seat covers on for now. You can see you have holes straight through there. Go ahead, hop inside. Oh yeah, this is a car. In neutral, put the key in, turn it all the way. And this I didn't know because I'm sitting there cranking the key and nothing's happening. Are you gonna be finicky with me again? Oh, immobilizer. Forgot they do that. It's the immobilizer. Shut the door, nice dark chrome. Everything's all wrapped in plastic. Wow, that's a tiny visor. Your home link. Oh. No. That's good. All right. Let's go ahead. Reversing camera. First, second, third. Oh, what a gearbox. All right, that's that. Go ahead. Press for sport mode. Opens the exhaust up. And I won't stall it this time. Yes, I did stall it because I'm babying. I'm babying it. Lotuses aren't meant to be babied. That is a sound in and of itself. Just the sound of everything. It's such a raw experience. Like I said, first time behind the wheel of a Lotus. And I hope to God it's not my last. You can hear the supercharger suck in. That zip tie is gonna annoy. There we go. Let's try that. A little bit of airflow. Speed sneaks up on you so quickly because you sit here and you're like 416 horsepower, that's not a lot. You know, you're sitting here when you have Hellcats and stuff like that that are all 700 plus horsepower. But when it weighs almost under 3,000 pounds, there's nothing like this thing. Responsiveness on downshifts for heel towing. Oh my God, I'm in love. That's the best part. You can avoid potholes like a champion. Is it a smooth ride? No. Is it a fun ride? Oh yeah. Because playing Dodge 'em with potholes is hysterical fun. I've never, ever loved a car as much as this. This is my first time. Oh, I keep saying the same things. Oh, like, I've never loved something so much. It's just, oh, I'm speechless, guys. I've never, ever driven a car as good as this. This is like, I like this better than the Cayman GT4. I like this better than the GT3 RS. That is the level of love for this car. And it's just so mechanical. There is so much here. Oh my God. Do that again. I have to kind of crouch down. It's so low to these lights. Kind kind of have to crouch down to see the traffic lights. But I mean, just the overall driver feedback, second to none. Second to none. That's just in sport mode too. I'm not going to do race mode. That just deactivates traction control and asks for issues. But how did I slip off the gear knob? I have a GTI that wants to play behind me. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.